Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable OneDrive Personal Vault to protect sensitive files, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable OneDrive Personal Vault, begin by launching the OneDrive application on your device. Sign in to your OneDrive account if you haven't already. Once signed in, locate the OneDrive folder on your computer or device. Look for the option labeled Personal Vault within the OneDrive interface. If this is your first time using Personal Vault, click on it to initiate the setup process. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security reasons. Choose a verification method that suits you, such as a text message, email, or authenticator app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the identity verification. After verification, you will be asked to set up a strong password for your Personal Vault. Make sure to choose a password that is memorable yet secure. Once your password is set, the Personal Vault will be created. Your Personal Vault can now be accessed from the OneDrive folder. To add files to your Personal Vault, simply drag and drop them into the folder. Alternatively, right-click inside the Personal Vault and select Upload to choose files directly. Remember that files within Personal Vault are encrypted for added protection. Be aware that Personal Vault has a time limit for inactivity. If you remain inactive for a certain period, the vault will automatically lock. You can always unlock it by signing in again using your established authentication method. Explore the features within the Personal Vault to familiarize yourself with its functionalities. Remember to regularly check and update your files for optimal security. That concludes the guide on enabling OneDrive Personal Vault to protect your sensitive files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.